Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit.
Hello and welcome to my fridge clean out and organization video, and I'm finally doing my spice cabinet, so I'm super excited about that. Thank you guys for clicking on this video and watching it. I appreciate it, as always. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for your continued support. I'm glad you're here. And also, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for being here. Obviously my channel is pretty new. I started it, I think my first video posted December 26th, and I've been having fun ever since. I'm really enjoying it. And this summer I have off for work, and I'm really excited to post a lot of really good videos. So if you are new here, my name is Melissa. Welcome. I am a third grade school teacher. I have 2 children, and I've been married for 17 and a half years. My children are 16 and 14. But I post cleaning videos and organization videos. I do a little decor, but mostly just cleaning and organizing. That's what I like to do. So I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy this video, if it motivates you, please remember to like and subscribe and say hello in the comments. I love talking to you guys.
Everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
So I was just cleaning the fridge section by section just so I didn't have everything out at the same time, and going through what I needed to, like what needed to be thrown out and what I was keeping, and then kind of putting it all back while I continued to clean the fridge. So once I have it all cleaned and everything organized as far as, well, I guess the food that I'm keeping, then I'm going to go in with my organizers and sort it all out. I didn't do anything fancy. I tried to keep it just realistic. I wanted to have something that we were going to actually use, that was actually going to help us. I didn't want to do it just so it looked good. So if you're looking for that, I'm sorry, but you're not going to find it. I didn't label anything because a lot of the, containers I might use for something different the next week. I didn't go buy any fancy jugs for my milk because we go through milk like crazy here, and it's not realistic to me. I just wanted something, like I said, that's functionable and that's real. So that is what you are going to get. And so far it's working really well.
You wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your got you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beach's sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beach's sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good.
And here is a Angry Mama, I think it's called. Cool Mama. I can confirm that it was the stupidest thing I've ever bought. I am maybe not the dumbest, because I really bought some dumb things, but I hope I don't get sued. I don't have any money. I'm a school teacher, so I don't think they'll sue me. But just probably the biggest waste. It doesn't even use like maybe a half a container of the small box of baking soda. I don't know. I cleaned it up. I filled it up with baking soda. I stuck it in my fridge, and I felt like a fool, but whatever. It looks cute. So yeah, I'll put the link down below though if you want to buy it. I don't know how to do all that fancy connect to Amazon so I get paid stuff. I'm just gonna give you the link in case you want to buy something stupid and waste money too, like me.
Try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving.
Okay, so we are done with the fridge. We are moving on to the spice cabinet. Here is a quick before of my spice cabinet. I ordered these spice jars almost a year ago probably, and they've just sat in a cabinet, so clearly I've been intending to do this for a while. So now I'm going to do it, and it turned out really good. It comes with the spice jars, obviously, that chalk pen I was just holding, and this funnel thing. That had like a piece of melted silicone to it, so I couldn't use it. Thankfully, I had another one handy. Some labels that are already, have the names printed on them, and some blank ones too that came in handy. Don't worry, I am not going to show you every single spice jar that I fill. I'm gonna speed it up and skip a lot of things to show you the end result. But this was just sort of a glimpse into it. Now, I will say, if you ever do this, I love these jars. I would highly recommend getting a small funnel that is like metal, like stainless steel. I think some of the spices kept sticking to it. It was a little hard. Some of the more, I guess I want to say moist spices. Sorry if you hate that word, but I would definitely suggest that. Other than that, I think it, is pretty easy to use, obviously. I mean, it's not rocket science.
I know I messed up. Yeah, I know I did you wrong. But I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect.
So I'm showing you the different curry powders that they had. I didn't even know that many curry powders existed. But that is one thing I really liked about these labels. There was not one spice I had that was not listed on this label sheet. The only time I had to use the pen was when I had a larger spice container, and the spice jars that I purchased weren't large enough to hold it all, like the chili, which I'll show you in a second.
Make up your mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. We used to be strong, love. Don't forget where you're coming from.
Another tip I have that's pretty important. Obviously, you want to wash the spice jars before you use them, but I actually suggest that you don't wash the lids, because the lids that I'm holding right now, if you see underneath the metal lid, they have like a styrofoam piece that goes underneath the metal lid, and I had washed the lids and didn't, I don't know, I guess realize they were there, and so it got wet underneath them, so I had to take every single piece out from underneath the lid and then dry it all, and it was just kind of a pain. So I would recommend not washing the lid. I think that you could get away with that just fine. Maybe like the plastic pieces the spice actually comes out of, and then like the metal jar. Hopefully that makes sense.
If you just believe it, I know we can make it. Try, try, try. Try, try, try. Try, try, try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance, yeah, baby, try, try, try. Just one more night, then make up your mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can.
We are finished. Here is a quick before, and here is the after. I am so happy with how this turned out, and I'm so happy that I did this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it motivated you to get your spices organized, or your fridge, or both. If you enjoyed this video and it got you motivated, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. That helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate your support. It only takes a quick second. Don't forget to say hi in the comments. Let me know where you're from, if you're watching with me, if you got motivated at all, and I will see you guys soon.
Or at least